Hey there, emoji lovers! It's time to celebrate the tiny characters that have changed the way we communicate and express our emotions. That's right! Today, we're celebrating World Emoji Day. Firstly, we will uncover the fabulous origin story of World Emoji Day. In the late 1990s, Japanese engineer Shigetaka Kurita created the first 176 emojis while working for a Japanese company. And then, the emojis were born. When you open the calendar emoji on your iOS device, you will find that the date shows July 17th. That's right, it's the exact date to celebrate World Emoji Day. In celebration of World Emoji Day, DemoCretaor added many adorable emoji stickers to enhance your user experience. You can use stickers now to effortlessly convey emotions and simply add a dash of playfulness to your visual content. So, gear up and dive into the colorful world of DemoCretaor's emoji stickers. Let's get started. Firstly, open DemoCretaor and start Video Editor. Now comes the fun part, choosing emojis. You can find the emoji library by clicking the Stickers tab on the top side of the screen. Then, select Emojis. DemoCretaor has a huge library of emojis for you to choose from. 1. Import the video you want to add emojis to by clicking the Import Media Files button. 2. To add an emoji, simply click and drag it onto the timeline above your video. 3. You can then resize and reposition the emoji on the video preview screen. You can also change the duration of the emoji by dragging the edges of the emoji clip on the timeline. 4. Click play to show the preview effect. And there you have it. Now you know how to add emojis to your videos using DemoCretaor. We hope you have fun experimenting with different emojis and adding a touch of personality to your videos. Happy World Emoji Day, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe to DemoCretaor channel for more tips and tricks on using DemoCretaor. See you next time!